Welcome to week 11 of our Rebuild Your Core series. 2 more weeks. You are doing great. I'm really proud of you for sticking with this. I know it's hard. I know that sometimes once the excitement wears off, you're kind of like, I don't want to finish this. But you're doing it, and I'm proud of you. So let's get started. All the equipment you're going to need are a stability ball and a Pilates ball. Again, no stress if you don't have those. We'll make it work. Okay, we're going to start in a deep squat here. So nice and deep, and we're just going to take 3 deep breaths here. One more breath. Good job. Okay, now we're going to come into cat-cow, and we're just going to be on our forearms, only doing the cat-cow with our pelvis. So only shifting that pelvis. You don't want the movement to come from anywhere else. Pull up, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And again, as you pull up, we're pulling up with our pelvic floor to shift that pelvis, not clenching from the back of our pelvic floor. Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to be doing some more planks today. So if you need a chair, you can go grab that to modify. And otherwise, we're going to get started with some plank oblique knees. So we're going to bring our knees out to the side. We're going to be alternating. So go ahead and inhale, exhale, go up in your plank, and 1, 2, 3, 4, don't hold your breath, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good work. Okay, now we're going to grab that Pilates ball, come onto your back. We're going to be pressing that Pilates ball here with both hands and both knees at the same time. So inhale, exhale, and 1, 2, 3. Make sure your stronger side's not taking over. Make sure you're using both sides of your core, both legs, both arms equally. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Good job. Okay, now we're going to grab our stability ball. If you don't have a stability ball, it's okay. You can just use your arms, you can grab a pillow, whatever you have. So we're going to come into this here and start with stability ball here. We're going to be rotating as we bring that ball to the side. So go ahead and inhale, exhale, pelvic floor comes up and in, zip up to that core, and 1, 2, 3, 4, make sure you're rotating through your core, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. Other side. Ooh, lose my balance here. Inhale, exhale, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good work. Back to those planks. The balls just roll all over the place. Okay, inhale, exhale, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Okay, back to the Pilates ball. Go ahead and inhale. Exhale. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Good job on that. That's one of those that feels deceptively hard to me. Looks easy, but it's kind of hard. All right, back into your position here. Inhale, exhale, pull up through that pelvic floor and the core, and 1. We're using this oblique muscle here on the opposite side. Well, both sides really, but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Other side. Inhale. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work. We're going to use this ball again. If you don't have one, you can use the edge of a couch or even just on the ground. We're going to come into a lat stretch. So you can bring your arms out on the ball and get that movement here through your lats. We're not arching our back to get that movement. So just come here and breathe. One more breath here. Good work. Okay, let's finish off with 3 deep breaths. I'm going to take those breaths on this stability ball because I can find that feedback of this ball can be helpful to feel your pelvic floor moving. So go ahead and inhale. Let all that tension go. One more here. Good job today, and I will see you next time.